Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture for class 8, Civics. Chapter's name is Judiciary. Students, today we will study the structure of the court. Student, there are so many courts in India. But what are the structures of the court? There are subordinate court, High Court and Supreme Court. Supreme Court is at the apex level of the courts. It is only one in India. High Court. Each state has one High Court, but there are so many courts in states at district levels. Students, as we know, states are divided into districts. Each district has its district court or subordinate court. District court or subordinate court is located in district headquarters or in Tahsil. And this court is presided by district judge, and Supreme Court is presided over by the Chief Justice of India. District judge or district court hears so many cases. Means all the people first go to the district court. Now question is that, are these courts are related with each other or interconnected with each other? Yes, they are. What do you mean by subordinate? Subordinate means the person or the institution works under higher authority. Each district court work under High Court, and all the High Courts work under Supreme Court. Decision given by the Supreme Court is binding on all the courts. All the courts must obey the order of Supreme Court. Very easy way to understand this. There is an appellate form of court in India. If any person feels that judgment given by the court is not just, he may appeal against the court in High Court. He also may appeal into the Supreme Court against the judgment of High Court. All these courts are interconnected. How? We will understand this by a story. Lakshman Sudha Goyal got married on February 1980, and in December 1980 Sudha Goyal family of Sudha Goyal filed a FIR against Lakshman, Shakuntala Devi and Subhash Chandra. Lakshman was husband of Sudha Goyal. Shakuntala Devi was mother-in-law and Subhash Chandra was brother-in-law. What happened? When case was heard in district court called 4 neighbors of Lakshman, and these 4 neighbors explained that we saw some smoke emitted from the Sudha Goyal's house. We went into the house, and what we saw Sudha Goyal, sari of Sudha Goyal caught fire and she was standing. We wrapped her into blanket and extinguished the fire, took her to the hospital. But Sudha Goyal's family claimed that family of Sudha Goyal accused that after marriage, Lakshman and Shakuntala continuously demanded dowry. On the birth of first child, they demanded fridge, scooter, television, etc. And she also explained that when she failed to bring these articles, Shakuntala Devi poured kerosene oil on Sudha Goyal and Lakshman lit the fire. On hearing the explanation, district judge gave judgment, and he judge of district court given the capital punishment to all the accused. In 1983, accused appealed to the High Court. High Court seen all the cases and given the judgment that High Court acquitted all the accused persons. But All India Women Federation of Lawyers took action and went to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court given the decision that Lakshman and Shakuntala Devi were culprit, so they were given life imprisonment. But Subhash Chandra, in lack of evidence, Subhash Chandra was acquitted. What we noticed that higher court has the power to dismiss or cancel the judgment of lower court. By this, we can say that all the lower court are subordinate to the higher court. Decision of higher court is binding to all the lower courts. That's all. Stay at home to fight with Corona.